Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo repairs and service. Porsche is a German automobile manufacturer specializing in high-performance sports cars, SUVs and sedans. Headquartered in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. The 2021 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo is what you get when you want the sportiness of a 911 in the body of a station wagon. To be more precise, the Sport Turismo is the long-roof version of the Porsche Panamera sedan. Both of these four-door hatchbacks boast an array of powerful powertrains, including plug-in hybrid variants called e-hybrid that prioritize performance over fuel savings. Just peep the credentials of the Turbo SE Hybrid, 689 horsepower, a top speed of 196 miles per hour, and a host of track-ready hardware. What about the all-electric Porsche Taycan? Well, it's not available as a roomy wagon or with the driving range of the gas-only Panameras. Servicing your Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo involves regular maintenance to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some general guidelines for Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo service. Keep in mind that specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specifications. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Porsche typically recommends synthetic oil and oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. But check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your Panamera Sport Turismo. Tire rotation. Rotating tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Porsche may recommend tire rotation every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are essential for safety. Check the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid during routine maintenance. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as engine coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. The engine and cabin air filters should be inspected regularly and replaced as needed to maintain optimal engine performance and air quality inside the vehicle. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery if it is older or showing signs of weakness. Alignment check. If you notice uneven tire wear or the vehicle pulling to one side, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Spark plug replacement. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval for spark plug replacement. Worn spark plugs can affect engine performance. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. Cooling system maintenance. Ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system by checking coolant levels and performing a cooling system flush if recommended by the manufacturer. Transmission service. Depending on your Panamera Sport Turismo's model year and transmission type, there may be a recommended interval for transmission fluid changes or flushes. For more accurate and model-specific information, it's recommended to consult your Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo owner's manual or contact your local Porsche dealership. They can provide you with the specific maintenance schedule and address any model-specific service requirements.